Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 crashing, crashes at startup, not launching, or won't launch issue, crashing to desktop, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart Steam PC. Restart your Steam and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC and then check. Fix 2. Modify the game launch options. Open Steam, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 game and select Properties. In the launch option type -DX11 and then close the tab. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. If not, then type -DX12 in the launch options and then check. If it still doesn't work, then remove the command from the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in the video. Fix 3. Update graphic card driver or perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version or perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have the AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have the Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in the video description. Search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. Then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Run the Outer Worlds 2 as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 and click on manage, browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, the Outer Worlds 2 folder. Now right click on the Outer Worlds 2 exe file and select run as administrator and check if it helps or not. If not, then open the Arkansas folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Right click on the Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping exe file and select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply and OK. Now launch the game from the installation folder and check. If it's still not working, then run the Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping exe file in the compatibility settings. So right click on the Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping exe file. Select properties, go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the installation folder and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab. From the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time select disable full screen optimization option as well. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, then untick all the boxes in the compatibility tab. So go to the compatibility tab and untick all these 3 boxes and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to verify integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outer Worlds 2 game and select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this website, link is given in video description. Download and install both x86 and x64 version and run both the files one by one. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install, and then restart your PC once and then launch the game and see if the problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to disable overlay. So disable Steam overlay, go to your Steam library, right click the Outer Worlds 2 game, select properties, then turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game and check. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9. Allow these 2 game exe files through Windows Defender Firewall and control folder access. These are the 2 game exe files. The first one is the Outer Worlds 2 exe and second one will be in the folder Arkansas binaries Win64, the Outer Worlds 2 Win64 shipping. Also allow these 2 exe game files through antivirus or simply turn off your antivirus program, then launch the game and check. Later you can turn on the antivirus program. Now close the gaming repair from the task manager. When you launch the game, in the task manager you will find gaming repair running in the background. So just open the task manager and end the task for gaming repair and then check. Also don't open the codecs in the game and also do not turn on ray tracing because it is crashing the game currently. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So click on Windows icon, then click on settings. On the left, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. If any updates is available, then download and install it. Then restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to uninstall and reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 game. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall the Outer Worlds 2 game from your PC. Then restart your PC and then reinstall the game. You can reinstall the game to the SSD or external SSD drive, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can easily solve the Outer Worlds 2 game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.